Hello all. Hope all of you are safe at home. It's vacation time for kids and let's spend this valuable time to study something that is useful for them in their future. So today my plan is to share with you some basic info on HTML. So what is an HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is mainly used to make web pages. HTML5 is the current and latest version of HTML standard. If we say HTML files as filename.html, it will become an HTML file which can be opened in any browser page for viewing the output. The HTML files contain small markup tags which tells the browser how to display the page. So what is HTML tags? An HTML tag is surrounded by characters called angle brackets. HTML tags are used to mark up HTML elements. The most important tags in HTML are given below. So what is HTML elements? HTML elements is usually composed of a start tag, element content and an end tag. There are two types of HTML elements. First one is nested HTML element and the second one is empty elements. So what is a nested HTML element? A nested HTML element means an element that contains one or more HTML elements. Second is empty elements. Empty elements are elements that doesn't have an element content and an end tag. So what is HTML headings? HTML headings usually contain a title or main topic of a certain content. H is the symbol for headings and the value given after the H symbol defines the size of the heading. We can align the heading using the text align property with values left, right or center. An example is given below. Another advantage is that we can change the color of the heading by using the inline styling with color property. That example is also given below. So, headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the largest heading while H6 defines the smallest. The examples are given below. Now HTML automatically adds an extra blank line before and after a heading. A useful heading attribute is align. Now, what is HTML paragraph? It is mainly used to group sentences. We can align paragraphs by giving values left, right or center, and we can style paragraphs by using inline styling. An example is given below. And another feature is that we can use HTML line breaks to produce a line break in a text. Next is an HTML comments. HTML comments are text, phrases or sentences inside an HTML file. It helps both beginners and experienced web developers to easily organize their code. They act similarly like a sticky notes in HTML. We can also add links and images to an HTML page. HTML uses the anchor tag to create a link to another document or web page. The A tag is used to create an anchor to link from the href attribute is also used to tell the address of the document. The words between the open and close of the anchor tag will be displayed as an hyperlink. To display an image on a page, we need to use image tag and the source attribute. SRC stands for source. The value of SRC attribute is the URL of the image you want to display on your page. An example is given below. Now we should make a HTML page responsive. To make a HTML page responsive, we have to add meta name equal to viewport, content equal to width equal to device minus width, initial scale equal to 1 inside the head element. It is important to make the page responsive to properly display contents on different screen sizes, especially on smaller screens. Now it is a HTML sample program. I will show the output of this HTML program in the end of this video. Now I will show you the HTML sample program's output. Now I will open it, and this is the HTML sample program's output that I have done. So guys, these are some basic on HTML that I have tried during my free time. I hope this would be useful. I think I was clear and you have all understood. Please make them try this when they get free time. It would be useful in their future. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to enable the bell icon to get notifications. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.